guest behind us asked the cast member if the Country Bears goes upside down. The drop is sick. Hello again, friends.
It's a wet, wet day.
Yeah.
But we're at Magic Kingdom.
We are.
Been like 6 months.
You can see the castle back there. Really excited because I haven't seen it yet. A lot of things have changed since the last time we were here. No facial coverings, except for on transportation. Up there, in the sky. There'll be fireworks there, starting July 1st.
So like 2 weeks.
Logan, you ready to go play Magic Kingdom? She's staring around at people. Cool.
So we will, hopefully it'll dry off a little bit. We'll see.
Hope so.
But we're gonna see what's changed.
Yeah, come with us. Still a pretty big summer crowd.
Exiting.
Mostly exiting, so maybe that's good. It was a pretty bad storm that we just missed, so hopefully that's a good sign for us. And hopefully the sky clears up.
It looks like
it stops raining. We haven't seen any of the new decorations that they added to the castle.
We've seen it painted.
We've seen it painted. They were painting it the last time we were here. But like I said, we haven't been able to come, so.
It looks good.
It does, it looks really good. I like it. Nice little view down Main Street there. And it's kind of stopped raining. Heck yeah.
Heck yeah. There you go.
So apparently I spoke too soon because we just walked down here and well, it's raining again. So okay. So what do you think about the new castle additions? Do you like them? Leave us a comment. Let me know. I'm curious. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Helps us out. And now it's stopping raining. Hi.
Hi. I was looking for popcorn, but your spring rolls are open.
Ooh, spring rolls.
It's a Wednesday. Okay, I'm making an executive decision. Hi, how are you? Can I do one order of the cheeseburger, one order of the buffalo?
So the spring roll stand seems to always be closed. We used to always come on weekdays, and I guess now that it's summer, it's open, but it usually never was. So we got buffalo chicken and some cheeseburger. We're excited because we've always missed these, so this is gonna be pretty freaking sweet. All right, what you trying?
Buffalo chicken.
All right.
It looks like there's cheese in it and maybe cream cheese.
Sure.
With a ranch dipping sauce. It's Ken's.
It's good?
It's definitely like a cream cheese, or something similar. Kind of like a buffalo chicken dip inside.
Nice. Cheeseburger here.
Hold on, wait. What is that?
I'm assuming it's some sort of like mayo.
Like a McDonald's like Big Mac sauce?
Yeah, it kind of looks like a secret sauce kind of deal.
Okay.
Huh. Let's see.
All right.
Really good.
What kind of cheeseburger does it remind you of?
McDonald's cheeseburger, kind of. More cheesy, but yeah, it's really good.
That didn't sell me.
It's great.
Hoping better quality than McDonald's.
Sure, but that's the
flavor.
It tastes like a cheeseburger.
It definitely does remind me of a Big Mac sauce. Very similar. If you put too much of it, it overpowers the cheeseburger taste. I like the buffalo better.
Really? Wow. Look at that.
A house divided.
15-minute wait. Yes, please.
So, I think the last time that we've been on this as a family, Logan was Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween for her first birthday. Because every time we've been here, which hasn't been a lot, obviously, the line was always super long, like over an hour.
Worth noting too, there's still dividers in the queue. Wonder if folks are going to be coming down here soon. There's no more social distancing markers, although you can see where they were. Logan is skipping around. I'm pretty sure she's pretty freaking excited.
These flagship OG Disney rides are my absolute favorite. So much. Love them so much.
This was my favorite ride when I was a kid. Now it's probably Haunted Mansion for sure at Magic Kingdom. What was your favorite ride when you were a kid, and how does it differ from what you like now? Like, what's your favorite attraction at Magic Kingdom from when you were a child? What's your favorite now?
What was my favorite ride when I was a child?
Let me know in the comments. Let me know what, how does it differ?
Wowee! That's almost as much fun as New Year's Eve in the Orange Grove. Come on, is everybody ready? I say, have a good show. A real tropical serenade.
Oh, buenos dias, señorita.
It's always awesome to see that.
Pick one.
Logan's gonna get her first balloon.
Having a hard time making a
Tomorrowland's
decision.
gonna be your best friend. There's also
Which color?
Fantasyland.
What color you want, baby?
But Tomorrowland's gonna be close.
Do you want pink? Red? Okay. Okay. Red?
Pink? This one?
Okay.
Usually a good idea.
Beautiful balloon, Logan. Uh-oh. We're so excited we fell.
Nice ball.
Yeah, good save.
There you go.
Thank you. It's as big as you are. All right, say thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you.
That was fun. We caught a cavalcade. Where are we going to, Jess?
Take Logan on the Barnstormer.
Ooh, Logan's first time on the Barnstormer.
I've been talking about it for, personally, like years. But
She never would fit on it.
the last time we came here,
She was so close.
so close.
Yeah.
It was like 35 inches or something.
Yeah.
It was 38, but now she's almost 40 inches, which means she can almost ride Splash Mountain.
Terrifying.
Where's the time going? My little 2.5-year-old is she's really tall.
So Jess just remembered something that we completely forgot about.
People Mover's
The
back.
People Mover's back.
Where are we going, Jess? Not the Barnstormer.
Not yet. People Mover it is, and it looks like it's running.
Oh, it's running.
Oh my goodness. It's been, dude, that has been such a long time since we've been on that.
I forgot it open.
That's crazy. Okay, yeah, we're doing it. So what, standing in line with the toddlers like? Stand up.
This is their first time.
Logan's first time on the People Mover.
Please supervise your children. Stay clear.
We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your Grand Circle tour.
Nice to be on this again.
Prototype community of tomorrow. Progress City was the inspiration for Epcot, and many of its forward-thinking ideas have been realized throughout Walt Disney World.
And we live all the way back there, baby.
That's our house right at the end.
Not in this city.
Future includes shopping. Then you'll want to visit Star Traders, where you'll find the greatest goods from around the galaxy.
You ain't gonna get a speeding ticket, that's for sure.
That's not a lie.
Yeah, they've done a lot. You can actually tell what's track now from the actual like overhang. That's sweet.
Mr. Tom Morrow.
This is Buzz Lightyear. Report to your Star Cruiser and join me on this daring space mission against the evil Emperor. As an honor
Battle stations, order the flight deck for immediate launch. To infinity and beyond.
Jessica is
Really bad.
shooting some things. It'd be a shame if someone. Do it. Push it all the way. Whoa! Logan has figured it out.
Y'all, look. I'm busy. I'm so busy. Oh, rude.
All right, Jess, tell us about your score.
Joystick
I
disabled.
worked really hard for this crappy score. Kendall didn't play it the whole time. And then apparently in the Zerg room, he just decided to, you know, do this. Whatever, it's fine.
Disabled.
Did you have fun, Logan?
Joystick disabled. Prepare.
Not Logan.
Joystick disabled.
To infinity and beyond.
So somehow, when we were getting in the ride, Logan lost her shoe on the entrance of Buzz Lightyear. So cast member Deborah saw it and like stuffed it in a car like behind us and caught us when we were exiting the ride. And it's like, hey, she's missing a shoe, I have it. So shouts out to Deborah at Buzz Lightyear. That was awesome. Stopped and got a Coke float. I can't even tell you the last time I've had a Coke float, but it's been humid since the rain stopped. So yeah, it's a winner. Logan, ready to ride a roller coaster? Here we go! Whoa! Is that fun? What? Ride again? Okay, you like that? You're such a thrill junkie. Logan asked if she can ride Dumbo, so here we are. It's worth noting too that they opened the play area inside the queue inside Dumbo, so we got any little kitties, then go play. And I think you can hold your place in line, right?
You can hold your place in line, yeah, but there's no
There's
real
not really
wait,
a line.
so there's not
Yeah.
a reason to do it
But
today.
on busy days, it's pretty cool, especially we got a little one like Logan who
Who loves to play?
you don't want to control the lever? Do you want to go high?
You want to go up in the sky? What do you want to do? You want to go in the water? Okay.
Okay. So Logan rides Dumbo for the fountain effect. She likes staring at the water. That's what this is, right?
Yeah.
Woo, going up, 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 up. Up, up, up.
No. You want to do it? You want to go down? Up, up, up. Okay, push it.
Oh.
Whee! You gotta push it down.
Go down now, we'll go down. Oh, we're all up. This is the end.
Oh.
Oh no. Oh no. So So since Disney has the play area inside of Dumbo open, why don't they have the splash area open? It's weird. I find it interesting too, so some of the rides have social distancing markers inside the queues, but in general there's none anywhere in the park, and social distancing is apparently done. And then like the splash pad area is closed, but the playground inside Dumbo is open. I don't get it. To give you an idea of crowd levels, this is usually like the biggest bottleneck, busiest part of this park, and it's pretty chill right now. The rain really took a lot of people out today. It's great.
I mean, we're assuming it took a lot of people out. I don't know,
It could have been a slow day, you're right. But it's much cooler. It's very nice out. So It's a Small World is generally something that me and Jess will pretty much guarantee to always skip. It's always way too long of a line. It's not that great of a ride, albeit classic. It's not one of our favorites by any means. But Logan hasn't been on this ride since she was a very little baby and not cognitive. So Logan's gonna ride It's a Small World, and we're just gonna deal with it. And today it is a walk-on, which is pretty uncommon, especially for summer.
I mean, there have definitely been times where this is a walk-on, but in summer.
Yeah, and they're still separating groups on the boats. So that's even, you know, crazier. Goodbye.
Say bye, see him up there, say bye.
Say hi, everyone. Gonna wave, Logan. Wave to people. Yep, there you go. Wave. Wave to everyone having dinner.
And please watch your children. Thank you. Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco.
Oh, God save us.
Gracias. Welcome to It's Asked to Disembark.
Yay.
Por favor,
It's very pretty.
Huh?
And it's
se
cute.
le pide que desembarque.
It's cute.
It's cute. I can't with the song.
It's a long song after all.
It's a long song after all, yes.
But now, who actually matters? Logan, did you love It's a Small World?
She was singing it.
She sang every word. I didn't even know she knew it.
We heard it 35 million times in the last 15 minutes, so she learned it.
Is that your favorite song?
We are not watching it on YouTube.
Is that your favorite song now?
Hi.
Logan had a blast, and that's all that matters.
It is all that matters.
Oh, the clock.
Good timing.
Perfect timing.
This is cute. I love this. Oh, you got it. 7:45.
7:45. One thing we noticed while on It's a Small World is that I can't remember the last time, but I've seen like that little change on the floor of that ride. Like usually that ride is covered with coins, and there was no pennies, no nickels, no dimes, no quarters. The Haunted Mansion is closed.
Playful spooks.
Playful spooks. So since Haunted Mansion is a no-go, pop it a memento mori. Jessica
really
can get her
sad.
fix.
I'm really sad.
It's our favorite.
Do you know the answers?
As you can see in this mirror,
Well, my birthday was yesterday.
it's pretty cool. Just leaving memento mori, and I got this super sweet Hatbox Ghost pen. And he's got his little
Hat box.
hat box with his face in it. Maybe next time. Those playful spooks. Jessica, I'm walking in the poop.
Rose, clean your shoes.
Logan, of course, loves everything with a song. So, I'm gonna take her to see the Country Bears because she loves them. Logan, you know what that is? Yeah, but what's the scratches in the floor? Do you know what that is? It's from the bears from their feet. The bear's feet scratched up the floor. The bears are walking in here scratching up the floor.
Henry, what's holding you up? Let's get on with the show.
Now, Buff, be patient.
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere anyhow. We're kind of hung up here.
Give me a little intro there, Gomer. This concludes our show. So thanks for bearing with us to the bear end. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back, you hear?
Well, the next time we see this, there will hopefully be fireworks in the sky. I'm super excited. Logan has been watching them all on YouTube, and I can't wait for her to like actually see them now. And with that, I think this is going to conclude our night out to Magic Kingdom, or day out to Magic Kingdom. It was a great day.
It was.
We got a lot done. The weather broke. It was beautiful. It wasn't very hot. Yeah, it turned out awesome.
It did. It did. It was a nice welcome home.
Yeah.
We haven't been here in a long time.
It was great. I can't wait to come back.
Hopefully sooner than later.
Yeah. Well, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. It helps us grow our channel. Thank you. We'll see you next time. The line for the Disney store is like all the way back. Wraps around Casey's.
That was